Okay, what can a block of wood teach us about crafting beautiful solutions in the Power Platform? Kia ora, everyone. I'm Nathan Rose. I am a lead consultant and Microsoft MVP with Capgemini based here in beautiful Auckland, New Zealand. Now, I've been taking Mark Smith's 90-day mentoring challenge over the past few weeks, and one of the concepts Mark talks about is this idea of being a craftsperson on the Power Platform. Now, if you're anything like me, you'll hear this, instantly agree with it, and then realize you have absolutely no idea what it means. Now, it's taken a few years for the penny to drop for me. However, I think I'm finally on the path to understanding what this means to be a craftsperson in business applications. So a few weeks ago, I was home in the States spending Christmas with my parents, and one of the nights that I was there, I went out to dinner with my dad and some of his friends. And one of my dad's friends is a woodworker. This gentleman crafts beautiful objects of art from blocks of wood. And that evening, he had brought along a collection of bowls that he had hewn from different blocks of wood. These bowls were a sight to behold. They were just beautiful in terms of the way they had been carved and intricate designs that went around the outside of them. And what I found is that I didn't just see an end product. I didn't just see a bowl that was incredibly exquisite to look at, but I saw the process that went into it. I saw everything from the conceptualization and design to the tools involved to the trial and error to the finishing work and the amount of time that goes into going from block of wood to finished product. And as a result, I was able to have quite a detailed conversation with my dad's friend about his process and bringing these bowls to life, despite the fact that I know absolutely nothing about woodworking. I know nothing about wood and tools or any of those things. But because as an aspiring craftsperson, I saw the process behind it, we were able to have quite a detailed conversation about this. And so that is what I believe it means to be a craftsperson in your respective field. So, in terms of our world and business applications, you don't just see the end result, the deliverable that the clients asked for. You see the process that goes into delivering that. Not only do you see that process, but you have a deep appreciation and love for it. Everything from the demos and conversations and pre-sales that become a set of user stories that become tables and columns and Dataverse and model driven and canvas apps and cloud flows, and you get the idea. But by having a deep appreciation and love of that process, that is what puts you on the path to being a craftsperson in the business applications space. Mark, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's my thinking around what it means to be a craftsperson in terms of business applications. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.